after visiting the Disney store, we decided we missed Disneyland. So we're gonna go back.
Gotta go back.
Yeah, we got season passes, so might as well. Hey.
Next station, Middle Huashan Road.
Disney Resort, this way. Hey, what do you want to do first?
I think we should go to get some food.
Yeah, and then I want to go on Pirates again.
Yeah.
And the trail challenge.
We should do that one first because it probably closes at sunset.
Yeah, we got a lot to do.
Yeah.
Pluto, Goofy, Donald, Minnie, and Mickey.
Look at her go.
Made it to Disneyland.
Yeah.
But we want to show you why, if you ever come to Disneyland, Shanghai,
Stay at the resort.
to stay at the resort if you're going to be here for multiple days. Well, I'd even say one night, come and do it, but this is why.
Every day.
And this is every day. In the morning, you have to go through all of these lines, and it makes it for a hectic, more stressful morning than it needs to be.
Yeah.
Just trust me on that one. And then if you don't have your tickets yet, you gotta buy them. And then here's the parking. If you don't care about coming at the park till like later in the day,
And it's fine, like now.
then it's fine, because you can just like walk right in. But if you want to be there from like open till close,
Then yeah.
I honestly say stay at the hotel. And also the hotels are so much, the Disney hotels are so much cheaper here than they are at other resorts. Minnie Mouse flowers! I love that it's Minnie in front. It's just so magical. Snow White's castle, it's so huge. Let's spring into colorful. I was like, it's not crowded out, because everyone's at the parade. Donald! Back at Remy. Already. What are we going to pick? I already know I want a bunny hot dog. Here's Mike. He looks so cute. Yum. At Remy's, Jake picked out a Mickey donut, and I picked out
What you've been waiting for all week.
waiting for all week. A bunny hot dog.
Little, so fun.
It's so cute.
Okay, tell me about that.
One of my favorite things I've eaten here.
Really?
It's so good.
Describe it.
It's like a really yummy sweet bread, and then it's like a yummy sausage hot dog.
Okay, the donut is surprisingly bland. You'd think the frosting or white chocolate would give it some flavor. It doesn't. I'm just eating bread with very little sugar on it.
Sure is cute though. Pirates, 20-minute wait. This is the shortest it's been. They seriously did such a good job with this wait line. It's so good. Pirates Pond. Ho ho yo ho. Don't step on the seat. Dinner gathering. Camp Discovery. We have one trail to do. Are you excited? Yeah. Here comes Jake. Hey, cutie.
I like it.
And check out this castle view up here. This one's pretty cool. You're over some serious water.
No hands.
Go, Jake, go! This one I'm just gonna do the walking. Look at that castle. Oh wait, I don't see it yet. Go, Jake, go! What's cooler on the Wilderness Trail, day or night?
Nighttime's pretty rad.
That's fun. I actually liked daytime better. Normally I would like night, but I don't know, there's something about like the day, maybe because it was our first time doing it. I just loved it so much. It was cool at nighttime too though. It's so awesome out.
Pirates.
Yes, please.
10-minute wait.
So I don't know if all Monday nights are like this because this weekend was not like this. It was super packed, but it was also a holiday weekend here. But there's no line of pirates right now, so we're gonna go again. Arg! Ooh, my kind of wait lines. Yep, this is awesome. Row 1, my favorite. Jake just noticed these speakers.
That's where the music comes out.
Really helps, huh?
Yeah, it makes you feel like you're really there.
Fantasyland. Alice in Wonderland maze looks pretty cool at night. We're gonna go to the castle to do one last tour. Once upon an adventure. Here we go. This castle tour is pretty fun. I recommend it. If you don't love stairs though, that could be a problem. Ooh.
你也可以和白雪公主一起漫游童话时光。
Princesses all around. Belle, Ariel, and Snow White.
您想知道什么？但是王后妒忌她的美貌，她找到可以信赖的朋友。她的世界，她在许愿井边。
So cool. The coolest room of all.
特别礼物。
Goodbye, castle. That was so cute. I love doing the castle tours. It's 8:22 and the park closes at 8:30. So we're next to Peter Pan. We're gonna try and run and go on it. And one last ride of the night. We made it! Hi, Peter! This is so great. Here we go. I'm so excited. Way to end the night.
Oh my goodness, Peter Pan one last time. Yeah.
That was awesome. Loved it. Goodbye, Toy Story Land. Like to end our time at the shops where the magic really happens. Oh, Stella Lou, you're so cute.
We're struggling finding which pins we want to get. There's so many.
玩具总部门酒店，出租车站。
Just here for a quick late night snack. Same old, everywhere you go. There's our hotel.
Wow. Jake got back to the hotel bearing gifts. This is the best. I'm so excited to have a cheeseburger. You would think we've had a lot of good food, but there's nothing like McDonald's. Now we're just watching the Jungle Book live action and gonna go to bed.
Yep, take it easy.
Good night, Shanghai.